This is the Woodford RK-71 repair kit. This kit will work for the models 74, 76, 84, and 86. Now on the front of the package here, it should come with that little picture diagram of the order of the parts that they go in, as well as a list of the parts that it comes with. So we'll go ahead and get everything out of the packaging here. So it will come with that plunger assembly, the T-handle, the packing nut, the rubber packing, and the head nut assembly. So we can go ahead and take a couple measurements of each piece that'll come with the rebuild kit or the repair kit, starting with that plunger or yoke nut valve assembly. A couple things to notice about it: this little tip here, that is a hard rubber, and the rest of it is brass. And it's got the female threads inside there, and it has that little flange portion right here on the outside as well. So we'll start with a total height. So from end to end, measures right at about 1 3/4 inches. And an outer diameter here at the bottom measures just over 1/2 inch. And then we'll measure the head nut assembly from tip to tip. And it measures right just above 2 inches there. And we can also get an outer diameter of that hexed portion there. And that measures right at 1.5 inches. And then we can measure the packing nut, and that will measure just shy of 3/4 of an inch there, with an outer diameter of right at 3/4 of an inch as well. And then we can also measure the rubber packing, and you can see that measures outer diameter right at about 3/4 of an inch, and the height measuring right at 1/4 of an inch. So once again, this is the Woodford RK-71 repair kit.